Okay, almost done. Practice problems 5 and 6. Again, I just have this negative. It's a -1 if you need to see the 1, all right? Negative times negative is positive. This is my first term, so I'm not going to write the plus sign. 1 times 2 is 2, and then I have a y. Negative times positive is a negative. 1 times 3 is 3, and then I have just an x. So 2y minus 3x. For the second one, I'm distributing a -5y, all right? So let's do signs first. Negative times negative is positive. I don't put the plus because it's my first term. 5 times 9 is 45. And then I have just a y, so it stays a y. Negative times positive is a negative. 5 times 7 is 35, but then y times y is a y squared. Remember, if there's two variables, you've got to add their exponents, okay? So that's it. We have one more practice problem, then it will be time for your exit ticket.